Hello, alright, we have an update on Godsigma. I got the chest in the back, sandblasted, got it airbrushed. The arms, got them cleaned up, painted them the metallic silver. These are the next project. Gotta chrome those. Got the head apart because if you remember we had the rusted screw that was stuck in there. Had to salvage some screws to make up for all these rusted ones. Next I'm going to have to fix this one. No. This one here has a broken hip joint, and I came across this Lego that has the same dimensions as needed for this part. So I'm gonna sand or cut the rest of this out and then make the Lego piece fit. So it'll look like it's original. That's it for now. Next on the list is tape this off, paint the red on it and the white midsection. I got all the yellow pieces cleaned up that had all the rust on it, and got all the feet and brackets cleaned up and the rust off those. So hopefully by the next video I should have that painted, the rest of the red and the white, and clear coated, this clear coated, and maybe those done. I'm not real sure. I don't know, but we're getting there. Although this one has a chip in it right there, and I think we're going to build that up with some crazy glue and baking soda. It has a reaction where it dries wicked quick and it's actually sandable. So I'm going to do that, sand it, get it cleared up, get the rest of these sanded. And chromed. Then hopefully back into looking like this guy here. This one's all original, it's never been taken apart. The only reason I took this one apart is because I literally paid like $7 for it on eBay, and it was just in a terrible state, so I figured it kind of deserved to be worked on. But alright, till next time.